Welcome back to my channel. This is the opening of a mystery bag. It's from Lil Kink Boutique. It's the Goth Girl box, the mystery bag. And this is pretty much what it comes in. I've already kind of started opening it so I can find out which way to open it so I don't do damage to the stuff in it. But it has this sticker on it. And I noticed all over in random spots there's like question marks everywhere. So yeah. So let's get into this. Hopefully nothing gets damaged here. Okay. Okay, down the top. Ooh. This is the first thing on top it came with. Their sticker. Then it has a sticker of looks like Edward Scissorhands and a lollipop. So that's awesome. Ooh, and there is a letter, a note on it. It says, everything should fit mystery bags. One, my favorite thing to put together. I hope you love what I packed out for you. Free. That's what it says. It looks like I have a bunch of clothing. It's the clothing and accessories mystery bag. So, one. All out here. I have no clue what's all in here, so yeah. This is the first one. Looks like a shirt with the diaper shirts, I should say, with the skull on it. So here's that. And it looks like in here is a matching sensory blanket. So there's that. Put that there. And our next thing is a onesie. Has hearts and bats on it. So there's that one. Sorry about the crinkles. Ooh. And we have this onesie. Has the skulls and the flowers on it. That one's super cute. These, let's see. Looks like either pants or pajama pants. So there's that. where it has bats, skulls, ghosts, pentagram, pentacle, hearts, broken heart, and like, yeah. Let's see. We have, like, make sure I don't miss anything. The pacifier clip. It's Nightmare Before Christmas theme. I'm gonna quickly make sure I didn't miss anything in this stack. Okay. And going with the pajama theme, we have a hat. A little cute hat to go with it. Looks like also in that same print. Ooh, is this what I think it is? If I can get into this one. Sorry for the crinkles. A stuffy shirt that go on my stuffies. That's adorable and cute. Okay, grabbing this one. And looks like another onesie. Nope, this one's the shirt. So here's this goth shirt with all of that print on it. And the last item is, let's see, that's adorable. A matching bib. That's adorable. And this is my first ABDL bib. So, yeah. So this is everything I got in this package. Make sure I didn't miss anything. So, this was what was in the package from Lil Kink Boutique. I'll link in the description where I got it. So if you're interested, it'll be in the description below. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video of everything I got. I wasn't expecting that much clothing, but it was just amazing what I got. Things I didn't think I was going to get and things I did get that I've looked at. Things I didn't know existed. So until my next video, comment, rate, and subscribe, and cheers.